Hello and welcome, Escambia County Public Schools, to a Byte of Tech with your student data team. Today, we're going to be talking about that new and improved look to the contact log screen. In education, we know that communication between parents and teachers is vital for student success. Within Focus, that contact log is a place to record this communication. And the look of the screen has been improved for convenience and ease of use. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean. When you're in Focus and you've chosen the student that you want to record your contact attempt for, you're going to look on that left-hand side and you're going to see student fields. Now the list can be long, but a teacher tip is to filter. Click the box and begin to type contact. If you look, you're going to see that contact log right there. Clicking it is going to change your screen to look like this. Now, I want to let you know that we do have some videos that will talk to you about when and how to record these contact logs. So make sure that you check out our recommended card here at the top to learn how easy it is to record parent contact in Focus. Now, if you look down, you're going to see these contact attempts here that have been recorded. But I really want to draw your attention to this letter logging field. It has now been added to your contact log screen. So remember, when you're in Focus and you send a communication through the communication module, it automatically creates a letter log. So instead of having to go to the letter logging field, you can see it here easily on the contact log. It's one place for convenience. And don't forget, we have lots of videos on the communication module and communication report as well. So now we've taken a look at the improved screen for contact logs. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our recommended video that's here and fill out our content request form so we make videos that are just for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new content, because that is a Byte of Tech.